Cough. Wait, I have a solution. With kitchen ingredients. The ingredients are galangal, ginger, lemongrass, lemon, prepare 2 glasses of water. First, slice the ginger, or it can be crushed. Then slice the galangal. Even lemongrass is the same in slices. The last half lemon. The cooking method is: heat 2 cups of water. Then add all the spices except lemon. If the water has shrunk to 1 cup, turn it off and lift it. Feed the glass, and strain. And lastly, add lemon juice. Herbal tea ready to drink.
Wow!
Good luck, goodbye cough, and healthy always for all of you. And don't forget to always watch the next video about unpacking kitchen recipes. For health, unique dishes, and other benefits. See you soon. Bye bye.